Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll be teaching you basic trigonometric integral. All right. In this class, I'll be teaching you cot, how to integrate cot x, how to integrate sec x, and I'll also teach you how to integrate cosec x. So if you know you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. All right. So how do you integrate this? These are very simple concepts. All right. So let's take the first one. How do you integrate this? We know that cot x is the same thing as cos x all over what? Sine x. Now, once you know this, just use your normal substitution method the way I did for tan x. So let u equals to what? Sine x. So this automatically become what? Cos x all over what? U dx. Okay? So let's look for the what? This dx. So differentiate both sides. So now have, if you differentiate this du dx, if you differentiate this, you have 1. Let's just put the 1 in bracket. Why, if you differentiate this, you have what? Cos x. Okay? So put this over 1. Cross multiply. Use this to multiply this and use this to multiply this. So if you use this to multiply this, you have dx cos x. All right? If you use this to multiply this, you have what? Du. Okay? So divide both sides by what? Cos x. So here over what? Cos x. Over what? Cos what? X. So dx in this case equals to what? Du. This will cancel out this. Du all over what? Cos x. Let's bring down what? This what? Equation. So you have cos x all over what? U. Now this dx is equal to this. So ds is du all over what? Cos x. So we now have what? Du all over what? Cos x. This automatically cancel out what? This. Okay, so you have, here you now have what? 1 all over what? U, d what? U. Okay, now you are to what? Integrate what? This. And I did teach you that if you want to integrate this, integration of what? 1 all over what? X, the s is automatically what? X plus what? C. So this is the answer. So integration of this is automatically what? U plus what? C. And what is U? U is what? Sine x. Automatically cot, integration of what? Cot x is equal to what? Sine x plus what? C. So this is the answer. It's a very simple word concept. The second one is what? How to integrate what? Sec s. All right. Now, if you're asked to integrate this, let's write it here. Sec what? X dx. What you just need to do is this. Multiply both the numerator and the denominator with what? Sec s what? Plus what? Tan what? X. So we now have sec x bracket what? Sec s plus what? Tan x all over what? Sec x plus what? Tan what? X. Remember, there is an integration sign here. You have what? Dx. Now, once you have done this, let's expand it. So we now have, if you multiply this, you have what? Sec square x plus sec x tan what? X all over sec x plus what? Tan x. Now, once you have gotten to what? This level, what you need to do is this. Use this same method. Let u is equal to what? Sec x plus tan what? X. So, and if you do that, automatically this become what? U. Note. So you can now clean this and you put what? Your u there. So you differentiate what? Both sides. So if I differentiate this, I'll have my normal dx, du dx. I have my number one. If one multiply anything you have, it's still the same thing. And if you differentiate this, you have sec s tan x. And if you differentiate this, you have what? Sec square what? X. So remember, you can go and check my videos on differentiation of what? Trigonometric what? Functions. All right, you see this there. So if you differentiate this, you have this. If you differentiate this, you have what? This. So we'll take this back. So let's put this over 1. Now, if I use this to multiply this and use this to multiply this, you notice that if I make this the subject of formula, you now notice that dx is equal to du all over what? Sec x tan what? X plus sec square what? X. I actually jumped some steps so that this space will be enough. All right. So remember, in this stage, all you just need to do is cross multiply, then make dx the subject of formula. You get what? This. And since dx is equal to this, we will now bring out this again. So let's quickly do that. We'll now bring out this. We'll now have sec square x plus sec s tan x all over, remember this is u, all over u times, now this dx is equal to what? This times du all over sec s tan x plus what? Sec square what? X. You notice that this and this is actually what? The same. If I say 7 plus 3 and 3 plus 7 is still the what? The same. So this will cancel out what? This. We will now have what? Here we will now have 1. So 1 all over u, d what? U. And remember, if you integrate this, what will you get? You get what? INU plus what? C. And this you can further, what is u? U is this, all right? U is equal to sec x plus what? Tan x. So the final answer is actually what? Sec x plus what? Tan x plus c. So this is actually what? The final answer. Let me clean the bottom. So let's integrate this, all right? So if you're asked to integrate cosec x, what you need to do is simple. Just multiply both the numerator cosec x, all right, minus what? Cot x. This over 1, so also multiply this, all right, cosec s cot what? X. Now, once you do this, use your normal substitution method. Let u is equals to what? Cosec x what? Minus cot what? X. As usual, once you do this, here will now become, let me further do this, all right? You now have, if you use this to multiply this, you have cosec square x, and if you use to multiply this, you have minus cosec s cot x. Okay, all over. Now this is actually u. Okay, so you can put your dx at the end. So let's differentiate both sides. If you differentiate this one, you have the u dx. Definitely you have 1 here. And if you differentiate this, you have minus cosec x cot x minus. Now, if you differentiate this, you have minus cosec square what x. You can go and check my video on differentiation of what trigonometric what function. You see that here, all right? Now, this minus sign, if you use to multiply this minus sign, what will you have? You have minus cosec s cot x plus cosec square what x. Now, if I say 7 minus 7 plus 5 is the same thing as 5 minus 7. This you have minus 2, and this you have what minus 2. So I can rewrite this as cosec square x, which is plus cosec square x minus cosec x cot x. Now let's bring down this. So we now have here cosec square x minus cosec x cot x all over u multiply. Now, remember, if I make dx the subject of formula, which, let me just do that here. If I make, here you have du dx. This is over 1. Now, use this to multiply this and use this to multiply this. You will now notice that dx is equal to du all over this cosec square x minus cosec x cot x. So dx is equal to this. So in place of this dx, in place of the dx that is supposed to be here, in place of the dx at the end, there is always dx. Here, put dx is equal to this. So put du all over cosec square x minus cosec s cot x. Definitely, this will cancel out what? This. You now have the integral as what? Here will be 1. So 1 all over u du. Integrate this, you have, if you integrate it, you have u plus what? C. What is actually u? What is u? U is this. So, if you integrate this, cosec x dx, what will you get? You will now get is equal to, what is u? U is what? Put it in bracket, cosec x plus, there is actually negative sign, cosec s minus cot x plus what? C. So this is the answer. It's a very simple word concept. You just need to get used to some basic word trigonometric word integral, and you also need to get used to some how to differentiate some what basic what trigonometry. All right, so that is the end for this lecture. Thank you for watching.